Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. Nerves are crucial as they play a role in nearly every bodily function, from movement to sensation. However, without realizing it, modern lifestyles can gradually but surely lead to nerve damage. Data shows that approximately 30 million people worldwide suffer from peripheral neuropathy, a condition where nerves outside the brain and spinal cord are damaged. The effects can vary greatly, from numbness and tingling to severe pain and muscle weakness. Interestingly, many people are unaware that seemingly routine daily actions can trigger this nerve damage. A study from the American Academy of Neurology found that poor lifestyle habits can accelerate nerve damage, even in individuals who generally appear healthy. From habits that affect blood circulation to a lack of adequate rest needed for nerve repair, these factors can significantly speed up the decline of nerve function. Nerve damage can occur gradually, and unfortunately, if it's too late, this condition is often difficult to treat. However, by understanding the factors that can worsen nerve health, we can prevent damage and keep nerve function optimal throughout life. Here are the 7 bad habits that affect nerve health. 1. Lack of sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt many biological processes in the body, including nerve recovery. During sleep, the body repairs and regenerates damaged cells, including nerve tissues. If sleep is chronically disrupted or insufficient, this recovery process is hindered, and nerves don't get enough time to repair themselves. As a result, nerves become more susceptible to damage and functional disorders. Lack of sleep also increases oxidative stress, where free radicals damage nerve cells. Common symptoms of nerve disturbance due to lack of sleep include fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and pain or tingling in the limbs. 2. High sugar diet. In people with diabetes, chronically high blood sugar levels lead to damage in the small blood vessels that supply nutrients to the nerves. This is known as diabetic neuropathy, one of the most common complications of diabetes. Excess glucose in the blood leads to glycation, where proteins and fats in the body lose their function. Nerves, deprived of nutrients, weaken, causing symptoms like burning sensations, numbness, and muscle weakness. The longer diabetes remains uncontrolled, the higher the risk of permanent nerve damage. 3. Excessive alcohol consumption. Medically, large amounts of alcohol have the potential to cause alcoholic neuropathy, which damages peripheral nerves. Alcohol acts as a toxin to nerves by disrupting cellular metabolism and affecting communication between neurons. Over the long term, alcohol leads to a deficiency in vitamin B1, which is crucial for nerve health. Consequently, individuals often experience numbness, tingling, or even muscle weakness in the lower limbs. Studies show that alcoholic neuropathy develops gradually, and the longer excessive alcohol consumption continues, the more severe the symptoms become. In extreme cases, this nerve damage can be permanent. 4. Excessive use of electronic devices. Excessive use of gadgets, especially typing, gaming, or scrolling through social media, can lead to a condition known as carpal tunnel syndrome. This occurs when the median nerve in the wrist is compressed due to repetitive motions and non-ergonomic hand positions. The median nerve controls sensation in most of the hand, and excessive pressure on this nerve leads to tingling, numbness, and pain in the wrist and fingers. In the long term, if left untreated, this nerve damage can progress to a more severe level, reducing fine motor skills. Research shows that excessive computer and smartphone use is one of the main causes of the rise in this syndrome in the digital era. 5. Smoking. Smoking produces many toxic substances, such as nicotine and carbon monoxide, which damage the cardiovascular and nervous systems. Specifically, nicotine narrows blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the nerves. This results in decreased oxygen and nutrients needed by nerves to function properly, causing damage to nerve fibers. Studies show that smokers have a higher risk of developing peripheral neuropathy, which is nerve damage in the hands and feet. Symptoms include numbness, tingling, and pain, as nerves do not receive enough nutrients due to disrupted blood flow. 6. Lack of physical activity. Physical activity helps maintain healthy blood circulation throughout the body, including to the nerves. When a person is sedentary or sits for prolonged periods, blood vessels can stiffen, reducing blood supply to the nerves. This leads to hypoxia or oxygen deficiency in the nerves, which triggers peripheral nerve damage. Additionally, lack of physical activity weakens muscles, putting extra pressure on nerves and causing pain and motor dysfunction. Some studies show that regular exercise can help prevent or slow the progression of neuropathy, especially in high-risk individuals, such as those with diabetes. 7. Poor posture. Incorrect posture, such as slouching while sitting or standing with a hunched back, can place excessive pressure on certain nerves. For example, the sciatic nerve can be compressed due to improper sitting position, causing sciatica or pain that radiates from the lower back down to the legs. Prolonged pressure on nerves can lead to inflammation and reduced nerve function. Compressed nerves may send pain signals or even cease to function, resulting in numbness or muscle weakness. Chronic poor posture habits can trigger more serious nerve damage, possibly requiring medical interventions like physical therapy or surgery. 8. Eating foods high in sugar and saturated fats. The consumption of foods high in sugar and saturated fats can cause inflammation in the body and affect metabolism. A diet rich in sugar can lead to spikes in blood glucose levels, which can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. Diabetes can lead to diabetic neuropathy, which is nerve damage caused by prolonged high blood sugar levels. Saturated fats, often found in processed and fast foods, can lead to the buildup of plaque in blood vessels. This reduces blood flow to the nerves and brain, which is crucial for maintaining nerve health. Additionally, foods high in sugar and saturated fats often contain few of the nutrients needed for nerve health, such as vitamin B and antioxidants. Changing the diet by reducing the intake of high sugar and high saturated fat foods, along with increasing the intake of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats, can help protect nerve health and prevent neurological issues in the future. These habits are often unrecognized as causes of nerve damage, but by avoiding or correcting them, we can maintain nerve health in the long term. Maintaining nerve health indeed requires more attention, especially in this modern era, where many daily habits can have negative impacts without us realizing it. Although nerve damage often occurs gradually, preventive measures such as improving lifestyle, paying attention to posture, and ensuring the body gets enough rest can make a significant difference in the long run. Don't wait until symptoms like tingling, numbness, or pain begin to appear. Remember, the earlier we take care of our nerve health, the better the quality of life we will experience in the future. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other videos.